Hello everyone, welcome to our live stream. This is Distance from Y.K.R. So who is Y.K.R? Y.K.R is a air sources manufacturer from China who specializes in manufactures and sells all kinds of heat pumps for industrial, commercial, or domestic applications. You can see the wall behind me is our owner walls. We have got all kinds of certifications and patterns, such as CE, TUV, BAFAS, and KEYMARK. And especially in the middle is our China's high technique certifications. So let's go to the next part to test our products. Welcome back. Now I would like to introduce our heat pumps for use. Speaking of the heat pumps, we can manufacture monoboard series and speed series, which can offer 9 kW to 13 kilowatts. Now let's see the heat pump. About this one is our monoboard heat pumps. This is 9 kilowatts to 12 kilowatts. Okay, in the middle is our space heat pumps. This one is the outdoor unit, and this one is the indoor unit. This is 15 kilowatts to 18 kilowatts, and about this one is our maximum models. This one is 24 kilowatts to 13 kilowatts.
This is our main accessory. As you can see, the first one is our built-in water pump. It's the DC inverter type, so you don't need to actually run wire insulation. And this one is pay exchange. It's delivered by us too to get the efficiency heat exchange. And this one is our Panasonic compressor. As you see, all series is Panasonic compressor. And here is our control board. We're providing 220 and 380 for the control board. Come and see. This is our wiring controller. It is very easily to set up temperature and change the function, heating, cooling, or mixing it together. And now I'm also changing to the heat. Now it's switching the heat pump. And also we're providing different kind of language, and we will also offer more language in the future. Here is the heat pump installation system reference. Let's see how's your heat pump working. Here is the heat pump is connecting to the buffer tank, and the buffer tank connecting to the end accessory. And you can see the red line is coming hot water outlet, and the blue line is coming back the cold water return. And after the buffer tank, we are connecting to the radiator, fan coil, and the floor heating. And this is the second circulation, and you can see it's the same as the first circulation, that hot water is coming outlet from the buffer tank. And after doing the heat exchange and going back to the buffer tank, like you see in the blue, water returned. And you can use your wiring controller to control your heat pump, and you can also use your smartphone like iPhone, Android, and iPad, throwing in the web app control to control your heat pump system. Okay, so our heat pump is running. Let's see the house noise, and let's see how lower is the noise. Hey, here is the outdoor unit is running currently, and we are already setting the frequency to the top and maximum. You can see the fan is turning too fast. And let's see the noise. How is the noise running? Here is our workshop. We are currently producing 3 containers of heat pump which selling to Europe. Let's see our production line. And here is our testing center. We are ensure every product finish the testing before it package. Come and look. This is the commercial heat pump, and this is in the testing. And over there is our new developed I290 heat pump. Let's see. This is our new development R290 monoblock heat pump, and now it's running, and we are doing the final test, including the efficiency and quality and stable and everything about the heat pump. Now the heat pump is running, as you see, and this is our testing engineer. Okay, here is the all live stream today. Thank you for watching. If you do have any question or inquiry, just let me know. Contact me. We will give you the feedback as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye bye.